If your whirlpool dryer not dry clothes well, and once you finish, the clothes gonna be damp. So to make sure, so I just clean some, and so we need to remove this part, and we need to clean inside so the air blow gonna go the normal way. So we need to take this one off. To do that, we need to unscrew these four, and we able to remove this one. Then I will show you. All right, so there's a lot of things here, and coins, everything, and that is how we need to clean. I'm gonna wash this one and put everything back. Alrighty, so we clean this one, and I vacuum inside as much as I said. That much I take it out. That was a lot. So so we really put it back, so we can start it from the bottom. Let me show. So we can start it from bottom, so we can put it in first, then we can just like that. So we're now ready to put those screw back. Alrighty. And should be one more if I'm not wrong. Yes. It's right here. So once we finish with those, and so the easy way you can just do simple and easy, just like that. So again, if your dryer is heat but not complete the cycle, so that's the most common. So you need to clean it out, and you be ready. Thank you so much again. If this video helped out, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you in next videos.